Hi, I'm Justine Louise. Welcome to my channel. So today I am actually filming in the afternoon, which is unusual for me because I went out and when I came home, the postman had been, and inside this box contains my Beautylish Lucky Bag. I'm so excited. This is my first one. If you're not familiar with what a Lucky Bag is, it's through Beautylish. And that's actually a company I haven't bought many things from before because they are a US company. I live in Canada, and if you're Canadian, you know what I'm talking about. Buying things from the US is so expensive. Right now our dollar, I haven't checked lately, but it's somewhere between 20 and 30%. So you add that to every item you buy from the US, and shipping also in US dollars. And sometimes we also get charged duty and customs and all kinds of fees. So something is one price but ends up being much more. So I either have to really want it, or it be something I can't buy in Canada or whatever. So anyway, I haven't really bought very many things from Beautylish, with the exception I did buy a Charlotte Tilbury item that was exclusive to Beautylish. Other than that, that's my only experience. But I have heard from some people and YouTubers talking about these lucky bags that are available on December 26th, Boxing Day. It's a Boxing Day special kind of thing, and you get an email invite, so you have to get on the list. And they do give preference to people that have spent over $1,000 in a calendar year, which of course is not me. And then it then opens up to the regular public, and apparently they sell out immediately, especially the extra large bags, which apparently have $500 value worth of product. I didn't qualify for that, and they also don't ship that one internationally. So I just bought the regular, which I'm totally thrilled about. I just cannot wait to open this box. I haven't peeked, but I will let you know I have peeked at other YouTubers' videos for the past few days because people have been receiving them already and opening them. And the items look amazing. There's lots of Natasha Denona things and Jouer and wing Goss brushes and all kinds of exciting stuff. So Beautylish does sell a lot of brands that aren't available in Canada or at Sephora. So my hope is there may be something in here from Jouer. I've never tried anything from there, but honestly I'm happy with anything, and I highly doubt I will have the products already. I know lots of people have issues that sometimes things arrive and they already own them. But if you're a beauty junkie, there's a good likelihood you already own some products. So I'm super excited for anything that's in here. And just to clarify, it's a goodie bag, and it could be anything inside. I think that the value is $150 and the cost was $75, and that's all, of course, in US dollars. I'll write it in the link below exactly what the price point was and the value. Anyway, without further ado, I can't wait to break open this box. So it just comes in a standard shipping box like this, and I haven't peeked. I just opened the seal so that it would be easy to open on camera. So that's it there. It's a little, I think it's something Japanese, these lucky bags. So I'll take it out. Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year, lucky bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. Oh, sweet. So it's in this nice wrapping, and then it's wrapped in this black tissue. Let's get started. Oh my goodness. So I don't know what this is. Hylamide HA Blur Hyaluronic Base Prismatic Blurring Surface Finisher. So that sounds like it's a primer with hyaluronic acid. That sounds very interesting. So I've actually never heard of this brand, and I've never tried it, and I don't own it. So that's great. I have a nice new primer. It's a 30 ml. So I'm excited for that. Becca Undereye Brightening Corrector. I did actually have this before, and I wasn't crazy about it, if it's the same one that I'm thinking of. Yeah, I think it is. I do love Becca products. Oh, this is different. Mine was kind of, oh no, this was it, sorry. I'll revisit it. I'll try it again. It's Becca, and I always love Becca products, so that's a nice little gift. And I think this is around $30 at Sephora. I got a Wayne Goss brush. Oh, I'm so excited. I watch Wayne Goss videos. He's a makeup artist, if you're not familiar with who he is. And he has a YouTube channel and always puts lots of tips and tricks online. And oh, this feels really nice. So yeah, I've never bought any of his brushes. I think they're super, super expensive. And I think he uses real animal hair, which I don't like doing. But I'm very happy with this. And it's a number 18. So it's a nice blending fluffy brush. Something from Stila. Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. I do have these. And Kitten Karma. I don't have this color. And this is a full size. I just have all the minis. So this is very exciting. Wow, it's a nice big size. Yeah, it's the glittery ones. I do have one that's called, I think, just plain Kitten, and it's like a shimmery one, and I actually did a video review on the whole set of them, so I'll link that below if you're interested in. So yeah, I love this. I'm very happy with that. This looks like highlighting kit maybe. It Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi, Your Perfect Perfection. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Award-winning face palette with perfect lighting technology. So it looks like it's a highlighter, a bronzer, a blusher, and a pressed powder. I love a lot of IT cosmetics. I love the whole philosophy behind them. And I actually used to watch, well, I still watch Big Brother. I love it. But I watched it when Jamie, who's the CEO of this company, she was on there as a house guest. She was in the very first season. And I remember always watching and thinking, how does she get her lips so glossy? She had perfect lip gloss all the time. This was before she was a beauty guru. She just loved makeup. I'm so excited about this. Wow. Sorry, it's like sealed. Shoot. I think I need scissors or something. Oh, I just love it. I love it. It's a big, beautiful mirror. I am going to seriously love this. It's a blush, a bronzer, highlighter, and a pressed powder. I love it. This is my favorite thing so far. And it's the Je ne sais quoi line, which I really like. I'm so happy with that. And I think I see something from Jouer. And I promise you I had never peeked. I was just hoping for something from Jouer so I could try it. Ultra Foil Shimmer Shadows. This is called the Skinny Dip. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. When's December 26th of this year coming up? How long do I have to wait? Oh my goodness, I should have brought a knife or something in here because these are really difficult to open. I am so pleased with this box. I love fun. I used to always like loot bags when I was little at birthday parties. Wow, it's in a beautiful gold. It's like a cardboard. It looks like it's metal, but it's just a gold cardboard. And wow, these are gorgeous colors. Starlight, Bikini, Skinny Dip, Tan Lines, Magic Hour, and Midnight Swim. Wow. I'm going to have a lot of fun with these. I've never tried anything from Jouer, nothing. So I'm going to have a lot of fun with this palette. Wow, and it's a great mirror too. It fills up my whole face. Wow, okay, so to recap, I've got a Skinny Dip Jouer eyeshadow palette. I got the It Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi palette with a blush, highlighter, bronzer, and pressed powder. I got the Becca Undereye Corrector, a Hylamide HA Blur, which is a primer, I got one of the Stila glitter eyeshadows and a Wayne Goss brush. Wow, I am over the moon. This is a fantastic box. I am so pleased and thrilled with all my items. So I will definitely be giving you updates on how much I enjoy and everything, but I can promise you I'm going to enjoy all of this. I know I am. I'm just thrilled with my box. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you got one of the boxes, I'm dying to hear about what you got and if you were happy with what was inside. And I can't wait till next year because I'm definitely going to be buying one again every year. I can see what all of the hype and the fuss is about. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click like, and if you want to see more beauty related content for 40 plus, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll see any new videos that I've posted. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.